áudio.
Vamos lá. Estamos aqui em frente ao Maracanã, Belize!
Vai, Brasil.
In Rio, in one of the most expensive, the Copacabana Palace. And here, it's a Momo ice cream shop. Here beside, it's not expensive and a very good ice cream. You enjoy the ice cream and all the glamour of the Copacabana Palace.
It's open right now.
Yeah,
Straight ahead.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Momo.
Is it a bakery?
Later. I think it's better later.
Newton, it's a bakery or it's just ice cream?
Ice creams.
Oh, it's
Ice
ice
creams
cream.
only.
Okay.
Fruit ice creams and creams, ice cream. So just a minute.
Huh?
It's like the Twilight Zone.
Yeah, it's a Twilight Zone for sure.
Always prepared.
But it's like, I just can't wait.
You
You wearing your mask?
I thought we were going this way.
Oh. You said what? Oh, about a butterfly?
So if we divide the group, the second group I will wait up there, okay? For the second band.
Okay. We're off to the statue. No, that's actually the enslaver. Being honest with you. So, we built it at the height, at the top of the mountain, so you could look down. I'll leave it at that. Look at this. That's amazing. Jesus Cristo.
I think we need switcher. I think we need switcher.
Huh?
Switcher.
Look at that. I say it again, if you're gonna take a vacation, take the craziest ones. And do not limit yourself. It's fucking crazy, man. That is crazy. Like, what's on the other side over there where it's like bluish? Is that city or it just goes into the ocean, mountains? So amazing how they just squeeze all these buildings right there, right? Look, homes. They say the rich people live at the top. That is so dope. Living a dream. I always wanted to come here. I always contemplated, but I was afraid of getting on airplanes at the time. And this little bug just became friendly with my thumb. Always wanted to come here. It's like law of attraction. It took a long time, but that was my fault because I was afraid of getting on airplanes. And now look, we're here. Where's Sugarloaf? It's on the other side over there? I was a critic as a non-religious person. And, you know, with the whole deal about worshiping statues and then you see these people over there. At the end of the day, like Idris said, that's all some people have sometimes, you know? So you can't knock them. You can't knock them. That's all they have. Faith. Uh-huh. All right, you going in here? No hot dog.
Wait, you get the stuff all the way.
The hood. The favelas.
Most of the people from other states in Brazil, but most from the north and northwest.
The name of this favela is Dona Marta.
This is the hood.
Dona Marta, the name of this favela.
Dona Mark.
Yeah, it's like a
Oh yeah?
like San Francisco trolley. It's yellow.
Claudio.
Vamos lá. Estamos aqui em frente ao Maracanã. Beline!
Bye, Brazil. We are at the location where Carnival is taking place. Let me do that again. We are at the location where Carnival takes place. Bye, Brazil. Ow. This is where Carnival takes place. Very Catholic.
She's gonna take my whole vacation going on vacation
By herself, yeah. She's so pissed. Shit, if she was my wife, I probably would have lost her somewhere. She's like, oh, that's really cool, huh, honey? Hey, you know. Do that. You should go out to that lady and go, this lady right here is a pest. She actually has the nerve to say.
You wanna see a reel like this? We need to take these names so when we tag.
Oh, yeah.
You close?
Shut up, huh?
Uma. Faltam 9 minutos. Pode entrar? É rapidinho, só pra ver.
Mas você vai comprar R$2, você vai pagar R$8 pra ver.
Ah, R$8. To get inside. They will close at 1 p.m.
Oh, that's okay.
You want to go in?
We can?
You got to pay $8.
Oh, no. Fine, fine.
No?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
That's a...
Yeah, we just finished having a more Catholic experience. Huh?
But it's built like a Mayan temple.
What?
The one that we just came from.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I did. We got 15 minutes out here by the stairs. This shit is dope. Where you at? Oh, like that? Oh, that's crazy. This is one of the things you definitely got to get when you're out here. Very important. Come on, baby. All right, so now I'm gonna switch over to live. Huh? Going up?
The higher you go up, the less people.
Is that a dude on that? Move back. Oh, oh. So that's their tribals. They all like, those are tribals.
The music.
It was the filmmaker was here.
Oh yeah? Oh, Pharrell. Pharrell and Snoop Dogg. That was here.
Was here. It's
Oh. Oh shit.
Do you want a picture to the stairs?
I want to get a tattoo.
They do them right up there.
We don't have time. Shit. Oh man. Any tattoo place by Arena? Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. No, not here. Arena Hotel. You know if any tattoo places? Not that.
Yes, I know. I have.
Yeah. I need to go.
Gotta be a good person.
What's that? Oh yeah? Hey! What's up, puppy? Beautiful. This is like really dope. Look, we're like the ultimate tourists right now.
It's okay.
It's hot as bananas out here. Hot as fried bananas.
Oh, damn, it's fast.
Huh? Oh shit, you gotta put it on the edit and rotate it and save it. Oh man. Green, huh? Huh?
5, 6, and 8.
Alright, we're off to Sugarloaf Mountain after eating Brazilian barbecue.
Destination after everybody was the.
Alright, that's Sugarloaf Mountain over there, the tallest one. So we're gonna do the cable cars. Yeah. Alright, let's do this again.
The name of this
Mountain?
First one is Morro da Urca, and the other one is Sugarloaf.
Sugarloaf.
Pão de açúcar.
Pão de açúcar.
Yeah, like bread with sugar.
Say it again.
Pão de açúcar.
Pão de açúcar. Gotcha. And this one? What's that one?
I don't know.
Oh. Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay.
It's fall. In your head, it's good.
I see concussion waiting to happen.
Oh yeah.
It's a little.
It's good when you stew it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Because in New York they cut them like in thirds. Well, careful. They cut them like in fourths. Because they're so big, so they cut them in pieces and
El
sell
árbol
it.
de los deseos. Wish tree. You make a wish
All right.
and you cross.
Meu Deus.
And you come through.
I had to jump to make it come true, or just step over.
No, not just that. Oh, jump, you choose.
See, babe, this is what I wanted to do in the backyard. You see this? I wanted to do that in the backyard. On the wooden fence, a grown fence. Like a live fence.
Brazil is something looks like a braise to make barbecue. No? And it was very valuable in
you can take the mask off now?
16th century because with this wood they made red ink. It didn't exist this color of ink in that time, so it was very valuable in this tree. And the tree, the wood was very noble for construction. So the Portuguese and French, they come a lot to take this tree from Brazil. This land was called Santa Cruz at first. The Portuguese.
Why are they so bad?
Colonizer?
Oh, this land Santa Cruz. But they say always, let's go to Brazil. Let's go to
take
Brazil.
everything, take everything.
But not to the country of Brazil. To take our woods to sell in Europe.
They stole the woods.
They stole for us.
Listen, they'll never tell you the story the right way, right?
Brazil.
Yeah.
And the
I know.
country took this name. It's one of the 3 countries in the world who had 3 names.
You just take it. They
Brazil,
took it.
it's a tree. Brazil wood, Brazil tree.
Right.
It's a
But
curiosity.
the story is just
so
told
let's go
nicely.
this way, please.
All right.
Estação para pegar o outro telefone. Tem caminhos, aquela mata toda ali é visitável. Tem caminhos por dentro da mata, na trilha. This one we call Urca Hill. It's 220 meters high. And the other one, the famous Sugarloaf, was almost 400 meters. 396 meters you can go ahead from the sea level.
Look, black Jesus, no gray Jesus, no white Jesus, no orange Jesus, no red Jesus, black Jesus.